We all love to treat our pets, but did you know that some of our favorite snacks could be causing them discomfort? Today, we are diving into a topic that affects many furry friends, and that is lactose intolerance. Just like some humans, many pets lack the enzyme lactase, which is needed to properly digest lactose. Guys, lactose is the sugar found in milk and dairy products. This condition is known as lactose intolerance. Lactose intolerance can manifest in pets through symptoms such as diarrhea, vomiting, gas, and abdominal pain. It's essential for pet owners to recognize these signs and understand how to manage them. So, what can you do to help your lactose intolerant pet? Well, here are some tips. First thing is avoid feeding your pet dairy products altogether. Opt for lactose free alternatives such as lactose free milk or specially formulated pet treats. Read ingredient labels carefully to ensure products do not contain hidden lactose. Make sure to consult your veterinarian for advice on dietary changes and supplements. Remember, every pet is unique, and what works for one may not work for another. It's crucial to work closely with your veterinarian to develop a diet that meets your pet's individual needs. By understanding and accommodating your pet's dietary needs, you can ensure they live a happy, comfortable life. Together, let's keep our furry friends feeling their best. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more pet care tips. Until next time, take excellent care of yourselves and your pets.